Hello and welcome to this review of the GoPro Shorty. The GoPro Shorty is approximately the same size as a fist. It fits very nicely into a hand. It's very small. The selling feature really is that it can become a tripod and it is extendable. It doesn't extend massively, but it does give you a little bit of extra reach when you've got your GoPro on wide or super wide. So let's fit the GoPro in. So you need, of course, the case. Now while I'm assembling this, I'm going to say it is a good piece of kit, but I'm going to call GoPro out for their terrible, terrible customer service. I had no problems with this order. However, the order before I've had terrible problems with that still have not been resolved by GoPro customer services. I would definitely say to you, do not buy anything off the GoPro website, because if it does go wrong, then your choices are very, very limited. You can loosen your Shorty grip, and you can obviously tilt up or tilt down and extend it back, which is really quite good. And of course, you can stand your GoPro up on the tripod when you don't want to be holding it in your hands. Picks up easily, it clips together, has a nice reassuring click, and yeah, it is a good accessory, if not a little expensive. Of all the accessories I've got, is by far the smallest, and it fits the snuggest into the hand. It really doesn't take up much room in a bag. Should you want to take up less room, you can disassemble it or bend it like so, just to take up a little less room. But like I say, it's a good accessory. There isn't really much more I can show about it today.